Welcome to Hello RC. This is Jason, and we've got a special guest with us here tonight, the lost member of Hello RC, Ashley. And we're down here visiting Ashley, and we visited Hangar 18 Hobbies, and we didn't come away empty-handed. Really cool hobby store, right?
It was. The guy was really nice.
Yeah, super nice. Gave us a good deal on this truck,
I
so
really like the owner.
can't wait to check it out. Yes, very nice guy. We will
Not
be
too far from Raleigh.
No, we'll be visiting there again when we come back the next time. And we're a little late to the game on this one, but I think it's still worth it.
Early.
Yeah.
I've only seen one video of this thing.
Yeah, I've never seen one in person, so that's kind of exciting.
So Ashley picked the color.
Yep.
Made you go switch it. It's empty.
Yes, Ashley picked the color on this beautiful truck.
Oh, it has
And
blue on it. That's cool.
let's check it out.
That is cool.
That's a good
I
looking
like
one.
it. It is neat. I like the color.
Oh yeah. Okay. Good job, Ashley. You picked the right color.
Jason had picked red and we returned it.
Second opinions on that one.
And
Yeah.
they got the gray.
Originally, we walked out of the store with this one.
Does this
Got in the
open?
car. Ashley said, "Get the gray."
Looks like that opens. Is it fake?
It is fake, but you can make it open, and that's probably something we will
I
do
hope so. It looks so really
because
cool.
there's an engine underneath
I
of it.
like it.
The gray is really cool.
I love the blue pinstripes. Make it.
Ashley's checking something out here.
There's something on the doors. What are these? Like kind of handles? Just go.
They do look
moves
like-
here. I don't know what's moving here.
Excuse me. They do look like
Oh, it's got little body pins in there.
little handles to open the door.
But I think if you pull those body pins out, the door will open.
Okay. Ah, Ashley, you have to do it.
Need somebody with
Pins out.
a little bit of fingernails.
The seats move. The seats do not move.
They are molded though. They're not like
Oh, I got
molded
a pin
in
out.
with the plastic.
What
Look
about
at
this
that.
thing when I get the other tank?
That's awesome. I don't think we've ever had a Lexan body with opening doors.
It comes with a Spectrum remote. It's nice.
Yep, that's a good one. It's got the thumb steer on it already. Very cool.
Does it have dig?
It does have dig.
It's got a dig button.
Oh, awesome. It comes with batteries.
I can't believe it has dig built in.
Looks like
That's like a $100 upgrade.
a couple of little plastic bits and pieces.
You know what dig is? It's really weird. It's like your back wheels stay stuck or something while you turn. It digs in.
That is a super good looking RC car.
It is nice. Did you get the other pin out?
No, I left them in.
Oh, I like the back.
Jeep. Axial license plate.
It's nice.
It's got straight axles underneath.
Cute.
Metal links. How the tires feel?
I don't know.
Pretty good.
Squishy. They don't feel great, but they're okay.
Yeah, let me see here. Yeah, they feel like Axial tires. But I hear they perform better than the
It's
Nitto.
missing the guy with the cowboy hat, Ashley.
Well, now we'll have to set a full guy in there.
All Axials come with that guy, right?
Yep, not this one.
What happened to him?
Well, he was
He-
molded into the
he
seat.
jumped
Now I
ship?
figure with the convertible, you put your own guy in there.
We'll have to find a cowboy
Got legs
guy.
and everything.
Maybe
Mirrors
we'll
are
make
cool.
an Ashley mini.
Mini Ashley doll to drive it.
No? We'll try to 3D print Ashley, put her in the seat. Yes, it looks good.
All right, so we will be test driving this very soon. Probably on our way home.
It looks
Maybe
nice.
we might stop where
Yeah.
somewhere. There's lots of mountains in between us and home, so we might be able to find a cool spot to crawl it around. Not really going to go through this thing in great depth. You guys have probably seen many of these CJ7 unboxings by now, but super cool. It's got a lot of headlights too.
You want that?
I think
Why would I want that?
I think this one has taillights, headlights, and the fog lights that all work. So can't wait to try that out. And we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.